Hello everyone, and welcome back to Morton's on the Move, and particularly welcome back to our construction site on our summer camp. Today we're going to be bringing in gravel to the site, and we're going to be bringing in a shipping container. Let's do it. So welcome back once again, everyone. We are still making headway on our RV property here. Behind me you can see the driveway that we built coming into the property, and here is some fresh gravel that we just brought in. We're bringing in a whole bunch more of this to fill in the areas that we actually want to drive on and park in our spot. As you can see, I've got this all smoothed out and leveled out. In the last video we showed you guys a little bit of what that process was, but today we are starting to actually put down gravel. Now what we're doing is we're putting down something called 22A. There's different types of gravel with mixes, and this one has a clay in it that really hardens, and it's not really water permeable. A little bit, but a lot of water will drain off it instead of through it. That's really good, particularly because we are on a very sandy soil that drains very well. So this is going to help stabilize and create those really great parking areas for us. And today we've got about 6 trucks coming in. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to actually start kind of flagging the areas that I want him to actually drop the gravel. Now, the truck can spread it a little bit, but it's up to me to actually flatten it out and push it around where I want it exactly. So that's what we're doing today. And then, once all that's done, we're going to be bringing in a shipping container, and that's going to be coming in on a big heavy trailer, and that'll be the first piece of equipment up here that's permanent. So we're really excited. Caitlin's here. It's the first time she's really seen a lot of what we've done because you haven't been feeling well.
Yeah, last couple of days.
But what do you think?
It's looking awesome. It's coming together. It's crazy.
It is crazy.
It's so much fun when they bring the gravel. It's like so much changes so fast.
All right. There we go. We have gravel. Now this isn't complete yet. We're still going to bring a little bit more in over here where we're going to park, but that's not critical right now. The next project is we're actually bringing in a shipping container. The shipping container is going to be storage, dry storage, lockable storage, and we want to have it here before we start constructing our building because it'll just be great to keep all the tools and stuff up here. So we're going to do final level on this area here. Still got that gravel there to move, but I think the next piece will be the shipping container. That's going to come in a few days. So I think I'm done here today, but we'll be back up here in a couple days. Check this out. I was grading the driveway. I almost ran this guy over.
He's eating a mouse. Good job, little guy. Sadly, I think the mouse is still alive. I can hear it making a sound. A little disturbing, but you know. Gosh, it's incredible how they can unhinge their jaws like that. What's going on, buddy? Goodbye.
You excited to get a shipping container?
It's an exciting day. We're gonna go shipping container. Just waiting for the guy to deliver it.
So like Caitlin said, we are waiting for the delivery of our shipping container, the first piece of I would call it infrastructure, I guess, that's getting delivered to the property. The reason we're getting that first is because it's going to be really helpful just as storage and to be used for storing our tools as we start the construction of our building, our carport. So today that's coming in. I've done a little bit more leveling and brought in some stones up there, kind of completed the spot where the shipping container is going to go. So you'll see that in just a minute, but I'm just waiting for the delivery here at the end of our driveway. Perfect.
That vicinity?
In that vicinity, yeah. So how does it Does it slide off the back a little bit? How does it align?
It's going to come off right wherever I'm parked.
Right wherever you're parked?
Yeah.
So do you think we could actually set it on that 4x4? Will that work?
The back one
Yeah.
we can, and then you can slide the next one in.
As it comes down?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
So are we good on the back?
Let me take a look. What do you think, hon? Bring it forward about like 2 feet. Right there. Perfect. Yeah, that's great. I'll have to hardly move it then.
Yeah, now we can just slide that one right underneath there.
Excellent. Where would you recommend putting the 4x4? Right on the end there?
Right under them pads on the end, on the corner.
That's where it's supported from.
Yeah.
They can span from those, right? That's their design?
Really the only thing that needs to be touching anywhere.
Yeah. Okay. Boy, that's a neat trailer. About 6 feet. Okay. Yep.
Want to get that further over? Do you want me on the other side?
We'll lift it and we'll shove it that way. We'll lift it with the backhoe and shove it over. So look at that. Yeah, the backhoe should be able to do that with the corners when it's empty at least. Want to see your new home buggy? Oh my goodness, look at that. This is nice.
This is really cool.
Oh man.
Like, this is way nicer than I thought it was gonna be. I think in my mind I imagined like a little bit rusty, or I don't know, just like unfinished metal.
So this is called a one-trip container. This container probably came from overseas somewhere, but was not used after that. And gosh, it looks brand new. Like, there's not a scratch in it.
Yeah.
This is all like an oxide paint, so it shouldn't rust.
And it's got like hooks and stuff, so you can hang stuff from.
And we got the double door version, so we can open that end too.
So these must be the vents. He said this has 12 vents.
Lots of vents.
Very cool.
All right, so I think I'm gonna wrap it up for today. We've got gravel, we've got a shipping container, we are en route. We've got some other adventures to have, so we're gonna take a break from the construction for a little bit, but we are gonna be coming back to this. We're hoping to get our building in by the end of the summer. We've got some other projects that we're gonna bring you guys along on. Until then, safe travels. See you down the road.
Bye.